Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're ditching bland diet food for bold, low-carb meals packed with flavor. Eating healthy doesn't mean boring salads. These dishes will leave you satisfied and energized. Whether you're a kitchen pro or a total beginner, you can do this. I'll guide you step by step, so pay attention. Get your aprons on and knives ready. Let's transform the way you think about healthy eating. Ready? Let's get cooking. First up, breakfast, a veggie omelet supreme. This isn't just any omelet, it's packed with nutrients and flavor to kickstart your day. Whisk fresh eggs lightly, season with salt and pepper. The key is to get a smooth, airy mixture. Sauté diced bell peppers, onions, and wilted spinach in a hot pan with a touch of butter. This adds a burst of color and flavor. Pour in the eggs, gently pull the edges to the center for soft curds. This technique ensures a fluffy texture. Add the veggies and a sprinkle of sharp cheddar just before the eggs set. The cheese melts perfectly, binding everything together. Fold, slide onto a plate, and admire that golden omelet. It's a work of art. Packed with protein, it'll keep you full and focused all morning. No more hunger pangs before lunch. No more mid-morning slumps or sugary snacks. You'll have sustained energy to power through your tasks. This is how you start your day like a champion. Strong, energized, and ready to conquer. Eat it while it's hot. Enjoy every bite of this delicious, nutritious breakfast. It's lunchtime, and today we're making a grilled chicken and avocado salad that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This isn't just any lunch, it's a fresh, vibrant meal that will brighten up your midday break and leave you feeling satisfied. Start by seasoning a juicy chicken breast with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a dash of smoked paprika for a subtle, smoky flavor. Grill it until it's golden and cooked through, locking in all those savory juices. While the chicken rests, build your salad base. Toss together crisp mixed greens, sweet cherry tomatoes, cool cucumber slices, thinly sliced red onion, and creamy, perfectly ripe avocado. Each ingredient adds color, texture, and nutrition. Slice the grilled chicken into tender strips and lay them generously over your salad, making sure every bite gets a bit of that savory flavor. For the dressing, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This zesty dressing ties everything together. Drizzle the dressing over your salad, then toss gently to coat every leaf and ingredient. The flavors meld together, creating a meal that's both refreshing and deeply satisfying. This salad is packed with lean protein, heart-healthy fats from avocado, and a rainbow of vitamins and minerals from all those fresh veggies. Say goodbye to boring, sad desk lunches. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a meal that's nourishing and exciting. This is lunch done right, quick to prepare, bursting with flavor, and guaranteed to energize your afternoon. Enjoy every bite. Tonight's dinner is a twist on a classic, zucchini noodle Alfredo, a dish that's as sneaky as it is scrumptious. Start by spiralizing fresh zucchini into long, curly noodles. Sprinkle them generously with salt, then let them rest for a few minutes. This draws out excess moisture, making sure your zoodles have the perfect texture. Next, pat the zoodles dry with a clean towel or paper towels. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your Alfredo sauce could end up thin and watery instead of rich and creamy. For the sauce, melt a generous knob of butter in a pan, then sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream, letting it bubble gently, and stir in plenty of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that signature Alfredo flavor. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and just a hint of nutmeg to bring out the flavors and add a subtle warmth. Gently toss the zoodles in the creamy sauce, making sure each strand is coated. Warm them through for just a minute or two. Overcooking will make them soggy, so keep it quick. Serve your zoodle Alfredo immediately, topped with a generous shower of extra Parmesan and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for color and freshness. The result? A creamy, comforting bowl that's so satisfying, you'll forget there's no pasta involved. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy a classic favorite. You get all the indulgence and flavor of traditional Alfredo, but without the heavy carb crash afterward. It's light, energizing, and perfect for any night of the week. This is how you do low-carb comfort food. Delicious, satisfying, and totally crave-worthy. Stunning, simple, and secretly healthy. Grab your fork and dig in. Need a snack? Make spicy cauliflower bites. Cut cauliflower into florets. Toss in a batter of almond flour, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne, egg, and almond milk. Coat well, spread on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil. Roast until golden and crispy, turning halfway. Mix Greek yogurt, lime juice, and cilantro for a quick dip. Crunchy, spicy, and shockingly healthy. Perfect for parties or game day. Get in there. Dessert time, chocolate chia pudding. Mix chia seeds, almond or coconut milk, cocoa powder, sweetener, and vanilla. Whisk well, let sit 5 minutes, whisk again. Chill for at least 4 hours. The seeds swell, creating a thick, creamy pudding. Stir and serve with raspberries or dark chocolate shavings. Rich, satisfying, and good for you. Who knew healthy could taste this good? There you have it, 5 stunning, easy low-carb recipes. No more excuses for boring food. Get in the kitchen and try them yourself. Comment below with your favorite and share your creations. Want more? Hit subscribe for more recipes and tips. Now, off you go. Happy cooking!